At Eindhoven University of Technology, we value creativity, passion, ingenuity and outside-of-the-box thinking. All nominees of the academic awards took innovative steps in their research while facing the challenges of tomorrow. And we at Eindhoven University of Technology are very proud of all of you.
Frank, denk je nog aan de prijs voor de winnaar van de Audience Award?
Nou ja, daar ben ik toch druk mee bezig.
I would like to take this moment to acknowledge the winner of the Audience Award. After devoting such passion to your research, you can see the celebration as the icing on the cake. Dear Claudia, congratulations! And we would like to help you celebrate this great achievement with this special celebration cake.